How to get Spotify app and log in. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get Spotify app on your device and log into your account. Now the process is quite similar on both your Android and iOS device. If you are on Android device, simply head into your Play Store. If you are on iOS device, simply head into your App Store, and respectively on the search bar what you want to do is searching for Spotify, and you'll get the Spotify option at the very top. Simply open it up. Now simply tap on install option that you'll find instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Since I've already downloaded it, it's not showing the install option, it's only showing the uninstall and the open option. Once you install it, you'll get the open option. Simply open up the app and you'll get an interface like this. Now here you can see the sign up option. You can sign up for free. Simply tap on sign up for free option. You can add in your email address and you can log in respectively, or you can simply continue with your Facebook account. You can sign up with your new Facebook account or your Google account. In my case, I'll just sign up with my Google account. Simply tap on here and then tap on the account that you want to choose, or head into sign up for free and then type in your email address and go ahead and complete the process, and you'll be able to log in. So this way you can download or get Spotify application and log into your account or create new account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.